Today is our first Conjugate strength training experience. This is one of our first hands-on experiences since Louis has passed, so we put a lot of time and effort into doing something that really hasn't been done before with the Conjugate method, and that is by training with small groups. We got 4 coaches to 12 people, so it's a nice hands-on ratio so that we can really dive deep into what people need. We're going to start with the big 3 lifts, go through bench, squat and deadlift, analyze people's lifts, give them some really good feedback, go through some accessories, then go through a big workout to where they can actually experience the intensity and density, and more importantly, the culture that makes Westside Barbell.
You know, to come off the street and do this stuff is not easy. You know, our athletes do this on a regular basis, and it even is hard work for them sometimes. So all these guys, you know, they've earned my respect as far as being able to come to this gym and kick ass and, you know, survive the day. So if you think you're tough, man, show up here and we'll see.
Thought this was supposed to be tough. Easy money. That's phenomenal. Like, you don't get much better in the industry than this, but also it's the history wrapped around it, understanding the system, why we do the methods, but then getting on some like hands-on experience with these top level coaches. So that's why I come to the Mecca of strength training.
I think for me the biggest one was my deadlift. It was just a little bit of a technique change, like the most minuscule thing, and it was like day and night difference with how it feels. Absolutely 10 out of 10.
That was the hardest workout I've ever done. That was why I came here. I came here to get my ass kicked, and that's exactly what they did. I learned about what real work capacity is and real conditioning is, and I'm stoked, man. I'm happy I made it through.
It's huge for us. Like, it's really inspirational to see the legacy of Louis reaching out there, and it's up to us as the caretakers of the legacy and kind of the stewards of taking it forward to do it justice as ambassadors to Westside Barbell.